Calissons are a traditional French candy made of almonds, candied melon, and orange peel, topped with a thin layer of hard, typically white icing. Calissons are the specialty of the city of Aix-en-Provence in the Provence region of southern France. The Calisson was created in France in the mid-15th century in honor of the wedding of King René of Anjou and Queen Jeanne of Laval. The confection became the specialty of Provence, the region of southern France known for its almond orchards. Inside the greenish hull is a hard shell. Inside that shell is the edible almond seed. The almonds arrive at the workshop dried for conservation and their brown skin removed. The first step in the production is to rehydrate the almonds with steam for about 10 minutes so that they can be worked into a paste. Once the almond's moisture content is increased by 2 to 4%, the almonds pass over a vibrating screen to drain any water resulting from steam condensation. Meanwhile, this cauldron heats up liquid beet sugar. France is one of the world's largest sugar beet producers, so high-quality beet sugar is readily available. Workers transfer the hydrated almonds to a grinder and add candied fruit, 95% melon and 5% orange peel. This flavor is the 500-year-old traditional recipe. Workers grind the ingredients for about 10 minutes until everything is thoroughly blended into a coarse paste. The paste drops onto a conveyor belt, which transfers it to a kneading machine into which workers add the hot liquid beet sugar and natural almond oil made from bitter almonds. Kneading blends the ingredients and smooths the texture of the paste. A worker boxes the Calisson paste and sets it aside for 3 days to let the sugar mature and stabilize. Calissons are topped with an ever-so-thin layer of royal icing. Unlike creamy icings, royal icing is as hard as a rock. To make it, a worker combines icing sugar and whipped egg whites passed through a strainer. A mixer beats the ingredients until the mixture is thick and smooth, which typically takes about 10 minutes. After 3 days of rest, the paste is ready to be worked. Shaping and decorating the Calissons is a specialized task, entrusted to these experienced artisans called calissonniers. First, they place slices of paste in a press and load a mold underneath. They cover the mold with a wafer-thin sheet of unleavened bread. Then the press piston descends, forcing the paste with the bread layer underneath into the mold. They skim off the excess paste, then fold the stencil over the mold and apply the layer of royal icing. They lift off the stencil and push the buttons which activate the mold pistons. Each piston pierces the base of a Calisson and lifts it out of the mold. Finally, they remove the Calissons with combs designed to fit around the pistons. A 10-minute trip through a tunnel oven set at low temperature bakes the royal icing to a hard and shiny state. Cameras record the position of the Calissons as they exit the oven, guiding a robotic arm to pick up 160 per minute and place them in plastic trays. The next machine seals each tray with plastic film to preserve freshness. There's also a gift box format, for which a worker hand fills plastic trays, designed to fit lozenge-shaped metal boxes. These traditional Calissons contain a candied fruit content of at least 30%, the melon being a variety cultivated in the region of Provence. However, if your taste buds are the type that buck tradition, today you can enjoy a wide selection of other fashionable flavors, such as clementine and cocoa bean or raspberry and matcha green tea.